Okay, traders, it's Irvin here. Welcome back. Hey, last week I made a video not showing the dashboard, and a lot of you guys were sending me private message. Irvin, what happened to the dashboard? Why you didn't put it on it? So that was the reason of me doing that video, because I wanted to wake you up and say, hey, here it is. But guys, this is what we're gonna be doing this week. This is GBPJPY. Look at what GBPJPY is gonna do this week. Always pay attention to the dashboard. Look, from all the way for 1 month all the way to 5 minutes, everything is bullish. So it's telling you bullish. Look at here, multiple time frame is here, TW sniper entry is here. Look at the stairs, boom. Look at this, there's only one trend going up, period. That's it. So this coming week, GBPJPY, this is GBPJPY. GBPJPY will continue in a buy trend. In my opinion, it's gonna be retesting level 201, 210, right on it. From here, we are expecting to see a reversal. So this is gonna consider a reversal. So that reversal is gonna come from that level all the way to our 198,360, which is your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Then from there, market will continue as a buy trend. Okay, let me know if GBPJPY makes sense. Another pair that I'm gonna give you today is going to be Euro USD. Pay close attention. Look at what Euro USD is doing, guys, because I don't want you guys to get confused. Look at the original trend here. Look at here. So this is very simple to look at the market. Look at here, boom. Look at the stairs, boom. Since when is Euro USD in a buy trend? Look at here, Euro USD commenced back in April of 2024. Market has been bullish since April 2024. The market has been in a buy trend. So that's good to know. Now that we know that the original direction, we're gonna be looking into the multiple time frame to see what we are gonna be doing this week. All right, so pay close attention in here, guys. What is your TW snipe your dashboard doing? Look at that, daily and 4 hours is saying that we're still in a buy trend. Here's your multiple time frame. Look at here, where's the trend going, guys? The trend is still going in a buy trend. How far is this buy trend gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna come back and retest these previous levels here, and then from there, market is gonna reverse, so retest this previous low here, which is your 50 Fibonacci level, and will continue on that buy trend. Because I don't see any signal whatsoever on Euro USD taking a sell position anytime soon. It could change, but Euro USD is still in a buy trend. Okay, another pair that I'm gonna give you guys, that is going to be AUD JPY. If there is a pair that you want me to analyze, guys, please let me know. Look at this one, guys. We're gonna be looking at it from very far away, because it's very important for you to understand. Look at that, market has been bullish, guys, for a very, don't worry about everything you see in here, because look at the original trend. Look at here, here's the multiple time frame, the master trend. Look at that, boom, still going up. Let me show you, let me prove you, because that's what you're here for. Look at that, master trend has been in a buy trend for a very long time. Now let's go ahead and zoom in so you can see the real trend. And so remember, this is AUD JPY. Guys, if you guys want me to put the watermark in the middle so it will make the job a lot easier, do let me know. But otherwise I can just say it. But anyway, the pair is here, AUD JPY. The pair is also here, AUD JPY. So it's everywhere. All right, so this is what I'm seeing, guys. Market here is still pushing up. This is, look at the dashboard, still pushing up. So in my opinion, how far this is gonna go, it's gonna come back and retest this previous multiple time frame in here, and then from here, guys, market is gonna give us a small reversal, maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday next week. It's gonna give us this reversal. How far is this reversal gonna come? In my opinion, it's gonna come to your 23.60 Fibonacci level. Why? Previous multi touches. Look at touches everywhere, guys, everywhere. So there's a lot of signals letting us know that there has been a previous touches in there. So that's why I'm saying market will come back to the level and then we'll continue on that buy trend. All right, what do you guys think on AUD/JPY? That makes sense, guys? Let me know in the comment below if you guys want me to make another video. But once again, guys, thank you. I wish you the best of the best this brand new month of June. So this analysis here is for June 2024. Okay, take care, guys, and remember, let's go, let's trade with Team with Urban. Bye bye.